My dainty lass, lay you the blame upon the recht for heed to a staff to lock that big dear heap the wrong side o' the tweed. You hear your talk all complete, your bonny as the rose, but I was born in Baltic Street, Montrose. Lang sign on monies, the wee funnet, I are the sea's distress. I've seen the long arms o' the licht swing out frae Skurdiness, and blithe and sunny summer blinks when land winds raise and fell. I'll flee my dragon on the links wi' callants like myself. Oh, Baltic Street is Callanbeard, and maybe no sae grand, but you'll feel the smell of the Callareer o' kippers on the land. Twixt Kirk and Street the deed folk bide their feet towards the sea. You'll neighbours for a new made bride if you'll come along with the steeple shades the kirkyard grass, the seaman's hidden bays. I do like Kirk to an English lass, what can spot English lanes. And when the heart the winter through creeps blin on close and wall, my hame get a curse for you, myself get maybe to one. So I'll up and off the morn's morn to see some tears